Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Have you been to a boarding school? In every boarding school there is a hostel or house and there is a hostel warden or hostel master who looks after children, who manages the hostel and who takes care of all the activities in the hostel. So till his retirement, he looks after all the children like his own wards, like his son and daughters. And after the retirement, he moves. So basically, he is the trustee of those children. He is insecure about his job. He always thinks that if I don't work properly, if I don't look after the children properly, I may lose my job. So he is insecure about job. So I thought that what is exactly a true life? Today we'll talk about true life. What is true life? Whether it is secure and insecure, where the real life exists. So in today's session, I will talk about true life and how we should live our lives. So let's begin and see what is true life. True life is filled with insecurities, offerings, and unknown surprises. So, if you are insecure in life, you will get surprises every day, and your life would be creative and amazing, and it will be a fabulous journey. False life is filled with expectations of securities because when we have secure life, we lead a boring life. There is no change. We live in a format and we create certain boundaries for ourselves and we don't think out of the box. That's the thing. But have you seen a laborer? He works every day for his food. He works every hour for his food but he never bothers about the next day. He lives in present and his life is totally insecure, but he gets new surprises every day. Someday he gets a good amount of money, someday he does not get money. So his life is full of insecurities. But secure life is bit false life. Life is basically insecure and there lies the beauty of life. The only thing secure about life is death. And if you choose security in life, you are choosing death. So enjoy life and enjoy every day with new surprises, new offerings. Do you know what is the difference between marriage and love affair? Most of the marriages are boring as both the partners are secure in their love. But most of the love affairs are interesting as both the partners are insecure in their relationships and they do lots of efforts to save their relationships and to lead a life with the same partner. So love affairs are insecure but amazing and which makes our life very interesting and amazing journey. Make life a love affair and life would turn out to be interesting. Because as you have seen that in this period of COVID-19, life has become the important aspect of everyone. Before this, we were very much concerned with leading a luxurious life, but when this COVID came, so everyone focused on living a simple life and they ran after the necessities of life like food, shelter, money, and living with care. So make your life a love affair, and enjoy your day with lots of fun. What is the nature of insecurity? The single most important factor is the fear of the unknown. Mostly life is from the unknown, from the known to unknown. Learn to love the unknown. The true focus of wise living is not to be limited to the known, but to love the unknown, to be adventurous about the unknown. Yes, you have to start a day. What a new thing we would learn today. I always train my students, I always teach my students and tell them, start a day with an expectation, what a new thing I will learn today. There are two types of people in life. There are some people, those who sleep at night by thinking that yes, today was a nice day and I did not have to work and I spent my day very easily and there was no hurdle and I have earned lots of money, and they were very happy and they sleep. But second type of people, when they sleep, they think that what is the new thing which I have learned today? What is the new activity? What is the new adventure of nature which I have seen? So these types of people are more successful in life. Now let's reflect on this and you will understand the whole meaning of true life. I keep seeing only spots, complained the patient to the nurse. Have you seen the doctor? Asked the nurse. No, I just see only spots, said the patient. I mean, have you met the doctor? Asked the nurse. No, I just see the spots, screamed the patient. So often we are imprisoned by what we know. So sometimes we only stick to our world. We don't think out of the box and we think that we know everything. So we are not able to think beyond it. So try to think beyond it. Try to love the insecurities of life, and life will show you lots of surprises and lots of beautiful things. At last, I would like to share a sacred key with you. That is, if you choose security in life, you are choosing death. But if you are choosing insecurities in life, life would be wonderful and you have got lots of experiences and lots of surprises. So true life lies in insecurities, and unknown surprises. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have liked this section of true life and motivational videos. By this video, I would like to thank and give a big salute to heroes, real heroes, our doctors and nurses who are serving the nation in this period of pandemic. So my big salute, my big regards. God bless all of them because they are saving our lives and just by putting their lives in problems. So by this video I would like to thank and give my lots of blessings to our real heroes. Have a nice day. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest informations on your screen. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice life.